Hello viewers, today we are taking the video lecture series on the job role of retail cashier for class 9. In this job role, firstly we will take Unit 2 Service Cash Points or POS. Session 4 Problems at Cash Points or POS. Today we will be discussing Number 1 Problems at Cash Points or POS, in which we go through hardware issues and software issues, network connectivity issues, user error issues, card processing problems. In this, we will discuss problems with the payment gateway, declined transactions, verification, mismatch of card, verification value CVV number, ceiling limit issues. Firstly, let's understand problems at the service cash points or POS. There are a number of problems at cash points or POS. POS system that is commonly used at retail stores as hardware, software and network connections. Now, we will discuss the common problems that occur at POS or while handling POS machines. These issues are hardware issues, software system issues, network connectivity issues, user errors. Now let us discuss this in detail. Hardware issues. POS system is interconnected through physical or wireless protocol devices. It includes workstations with monitor screens, mouse, keyboards, barcode scanners, cash drawers, receipt printers, etc. If any device fails, then the whole system may stop working. A common problem occurs in printing receipts in both POS touchscreen as well as regular POS systems. It may be due to improper connection of cables. POS machines with 3 color-coded cables must match to the similar color on the back panel of the equipment. Loose connections can also create problems in printing. Check all connections before informing the technical team about the problem. Right? Many POS systems include a central server that processes data and coordinates the activities of the entire system. In case of any problem in the hardware, it is better to call the technician of the vendor, because if the cashier tries to resolve the problem, it may further seriously damage the system. Software system issues. POS system relies on dedicated software and computer operating systems. This software helps in transacting, sales and credit card processing, inventory tracking, accounting and other functions related to sales. When POS software detects an error or too many software overloads on the computer, the system may stop working. Sometimes restarting the system solves the problem, but in case of major software problem, it must be referred to the technician of the vendor. Network connectivity issues. POS systems are generally based on the dial-up modem or broadband internet access to connect the network processing. The POS system transfers the customer's account information to the debit or credit card processing network. If the network connection is not available, the system processes credit and debit transactions. Sometimes problems may occur due to disturbances in the networking cable. The cashier has to check cable connectivity and adjust the cable connection to resolve the problems. In some cases, the card provider server may be busy and POS may be unable to connect to that server. In such cases, the cashier must try again or ask the customer to provide another card. You might have seen this when you go for shopping. Now, talking about the user errors. Mostly, the problem with POS occur due to the errors in the machine committed by the cashier. If the cashier enters the wrong information or if the wrong application is started, then the computer system can't properly handle the transaction. Due to being at the point of sale, the cashier must set extensive training on how to operate the system effectively. Now, our next topic is card processing problems. Problems with the payment gateway, declined transactions, verification, mismatch of card, verification value number, ceiling limit issues. Now, let's discuss this in detail. A. Problems with payment gateway. Payment gateway is an electronic portal. It accepts debit, credit card data from customer payment terminals. It also encrypts data. Before sending data of credit card, the issuing bank encrypts the data for approval. In case there is any problem in seeking approval, it could be due to a virus in the software, which can be brought to the notice of the technical support team. B. Declined transactions. The most common problem of card processing is a declined transaction. There are many reasons for a declined transaction in the case of debit card, such as insufficient balance, exceeding daily limit of withdrawal, and exceeding the daily limit of number of transactions. C. Verification. Credit card fraud is nowadays a major and common issue. Sometimes the address verification service declines a transaction if the address given by the customer doesn't match to the card detail. D. Mismatch of card verification value number. Have you ever noticed the CVV number written on the back side of the ATM card? When you go online for payments, they ask for this CVV number. The transaction may also be declined if the CVV number is incorrect. In case the account is already over limit transaction, authorization will not take place on the same day. E. Ceiling limit issues. Some cards have a maximum limit that can be spent in a single transaction. This could lead to the card being declined. Especially, corporate cards may have a specific limit on the amount of cash that can be drawn per day. Therefore, the card will be declined if there is an attempt to draw cash beyond the sanctioned daily limit. Now, let us discuss this with a group activity. Visit a retail store for observation of problems at the service cash point or POS. Material required: pen, pencil, notebook and checklist. Procedure: Number 1. Visit a retail store and ask the cashier about A. Hardware system issues, B. Software system issues, C. Network connectivity issues, D. Commonly committed errors by cashiers, E. Card problems. Second, ask about the measures to overcome these and prepare a report based on the replies. Confirm with the executive, finalize and submit the report to your subject teacher. Here, teacher should check the learning outcomes of the students from this activity. Let's summarize our session. Today, you have learned hardware issues, software issues, network issues, user errors and card processing problems in detail. So viewers, you have learned about the session in an interesting manner. I hope you have understood the lesson and have taken notes of important points through watching this educational video. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Thank you.